Hi friends, this is a fun game for Dr. Seuss's birthday. Here's the directions for the adults to read. It gives the skills that we're working on, which is our fine motor, visual discrimination, graphing, counting, and some of our concepts. So that's a fun thing for the adults. The fun thing for us is you can cut this out and put it together to make a dice. And there's a red fish, ham, green eggs, Dr. Seuss's cat in the hat, thing one, and the truffle tree. So what you're going to do is you're going to roll the dice, and every time you come up with one of these pictures, you're going to put a mark in the box. So when you come up with the red fish, you're going to mark it. And the first one to the top is going to be the winner. But whoever plays this game with you is not choosing one of these. Everybody's going to use this dice, and you're going to roll it. So everybody is rooting for whichever picture. So whichever picture wins, here gets to the top first is the winner. So have fun with this game. You can play it over and over. Enjoy that. Then you can use the graph to count in different ways, which tells you here how many fish were there, how many green hands, and so on. And then there's some other questions here that you can answer, probably with help from an adult. But have fun with this game, because playing games with Dr. Seuss is always a fun idea. Bye, friends.